Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ARC Raiders online connection error and network timeout issues on PC. First, check the official server status for the game. These errors often appear when the game servers are down or under maintenance. If the servers are offline, there is nothing to fix on your side. You will need to wait until the servers are back online. Next, make sure your system date and time are set correctly. A wrong clock can block online authentication and cause connection errors. On Windows, open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. After that, click Sync Now. Once the time is synced, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Now, verify the game files on Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Find ARC Raiders in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and fix any missing or corrupted files. This process may take a few minutes. When the verification is finished, restart Steam and launch the game again. In most cases, this resolves the connection and network timeout errors. If the problem continues, wait for official updates or patches. Thanks for watching.